The feet, the foundation of the human body, designed to support, absorb, and adapt. Each foot contains 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments, built for strength and precision. Every step begins here. The arches compress and release, absorbing impact and redistributing force with each stride, protecting the knees, the hips, and the spine above. The feet are sensory organs. Thousands of nerve endings detect pressure, texture, and position, sending constant feedback to the brain. Balance depends on it. So does coordination. They adjust instantly. Uneven ground, sudden shifts, changes in speed or direction. Corrections happen before conscious thought. The feet also influence posture. Alignment at the ground affects the entire body above it. Small changes here can echo upward, altering movement patterns over time. They respond to use. Movement strengthens them. Stillness weakens them. Habit shapes their structure. Despite carrying the body's full weight, the feet often go unnoticed until something goes wrong, yet they work constantly, step after step, day after day. The feet are not just for walking. They are the body's interface with the ground, where force meets feedback and movement begins. Stability and progress start at the ground.